Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can make an image black and white in the Microsoft OneDrive photo editor. So let us get started. So navigate to your OneDrive library, for example via the OneDrive app on your device or via the web application. Log into your Microsoft account and click into Files here in the top left. Next, navigate to your library on the left hand side by clicking into My Files here. And next, go through your library and find the image you would like to edit. So as you can see, if I hover my mouse over that or that image here, I will see in the preview that it is a JPEG file. So it's obviously a photo. To access it, click into these three dots here and select Preview. Next, access the photo editor in the top right. And here, guys, switch from the crop to the filter tab and look for the black and white filter. Of course, you can go with any other of these here, like vintage or this one here, or that one, warm contrast. So the black and white filter will be visible here. You can also go with this or that one or one of these variations, and that is going to convert your image. Now you can, of course, adjust the intensity. So if I make it 50%, it won't be entirely black and white, but the colors won't be too intense either. So it's like a middle ground. So you can play with the slider. I will leave it at 100%, which is going to make it basically black and white. Confirm by clicking into Save in the top left. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.